Hello guys, and welcome back to Ivy and Skin channel. I greet you all according to your time zone. All my lovely subscribers, both old and new, I greet you all warmly from the bottom of my heart. I thank you, I appreciate you. But if you're yet to subscribe, please do your girl a favor and click on the subscription button as well as the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post new videos. So guys, this is a quick review slash guideline on how to go about this Filipino injection. Please, I quickly like to put a disclaimer out there that a review video is made solely just as a guideline. Doesn't mean you should take that as your last resort and not make your own research. Okay, we did not manufacture this product. We only use it based on trials and errors, and you have to understand that bear in mind that our skin differs. Just because I use a product and it's like glorious on my skin doesn't mean it's going to be the same for you. So please, whatever review that I put out here, kindly carry out your own research and do your own trial and error, and please stick to what works for you. Just because it works for me doesn't mean it will do same for you. That's just a disclaimer. So guys, let me quickly say this product has quite a few varieties, about say 5-6 or so thereabout. I'm gonna list them here, and they've been complaints. I have like more than 15 questions asking me about this product, hence that prompted me to make this video, just to coin my answer all in one, because I couldn't answer all of them at once. So I'm just going to put this let me just quickly introduce you to the video as the products, each one of them. So the black bottle is the glutathione and phenol C, the blue one's caviar and turmeric, the orange is almond and giga white, the white one is alpha arbutin, the green is organic, the red is alfcurst, the orange is carrot and koic, and it comes with it has the serum, it has the soap. But honestly, let me say this, guys, this lotion is very strong. It's quite, in fact, let me say the word harsh. It's quite harsh. You cannot use this lotion in the daytime. I strongly recommend that you don't use it in the daytime. Okay, and some people did ask if they can mix it with the serum or another serum. I will not advise that you mix this lotion. If you think you want to mix it, add any serum or any other whatever into it, mix it whichever way, I suggest you use it on its own first. And by the way, using it on its own that is when you even get to see how strong, strong this lotion is. This is not a lotion to use during the daytime. Do not use it and say I'm going to use a sunscreen or sunblock. No, you cannot use this lotion in the daytime. It's very strong. This lotion can give you lightening as fast as 1 week. 1 week, 10 days, 1 week, which is 7 days to 10 days, you begin to see your skin whitening. And one of the complaints I've gotten about this lotion is that it gives knuckles and it burns the skin, something like that. For me, I think when it burns your skin is when you use it during the daytime and go under the sun. Okay, there are ways you can use this lotion and still get good benefits out of it. So it's not like totally bad. No, I would not say that this lotion is not bad. Excuse me. It's just for you to know how to use it, if you want to mix, and how to go about it. Then when it comes to mixing, I will only suggest that you use Glow oil, because most people have complained that it dries out their skin and it makes their skin look flaky, so for me, I think that's as a result of drying out and thinning out the skin. I've even had some complaints about green veins and stretch marks. So for me, my recommendation would be, if you must mix it, you can mix it with shea butter. I'll put some oils on the screen that you can use it with. So let's go to the soaps. Lest I forget, let me just state this, that okay, Even if you must use this as your own like your sole cream, the main cream you use, please, I'll suggest that you don't use this cream every day. Please, you have to use it like every other day, say like maybe 3 to 4 times in a week. Have a moisturizer like a body butter or a glow oil or something that you use during the day. Then this one should be used solely at night. Sorry, but if you must use it during the day, maybe you're working from the home, you're not going to expose yourself to sun. But when you know that the environment, you have to stop on the road to take taxis and all that and sweat during the day, do not use this lotion, please. And if you must use it, it shouldn't be your go-to lotion like 7 days a week. No, please have an alternate lotion. You can use this one as a, will I say, sharpshooter to get a certain skin shade. Then you slow it down. Please slow it down. That is my advice. Slow it down. Alternate it like twice, 3 times, or 4 times a week. If you must mix it, you have to mix it with certain oils that are not, has nothing to do with lightening or whitening at all. This cream is that strong. Someone was even asking me like, can I use this cream on my body and my face? Please, my darling, even your body safe, you cannot use this cream for 1 week straight. How much more your face? Don't even attempt it. Like, please do not try it at all. So these are the soaps that come with it. They have a soap, they have a serum. You can use the soap with the lotion, but mind you, that means the result is going to be like extra fast, because the soaps are quite strong as well. But I'll recommend some other soaps which I'm going to show to you now, which will help not making your skin dry out. Because using the Filipino injection soap with the lotion, it actually, I'm sure several people have complained about dry skin. This Fair and White is very moisturizing, and why I like this soap is that it helps with dark knuckles as well. Glutathione A helps. Glutathione Original, this one helps. Kojic acid soap helps as well, and Kojisan is very good too. Glutathione, I love this soap, the papaya one. Yes, this one, it will not dry your skin out. You can use snail white as well. It will help with moisturizing. And the oils, this Vit Gold are one of my go-to oil when it comes to glow oil. Okay, you can use this to mix with the cream to help you not dry your skin out. And if you don't want to mix it with the cream, you can use it as your glow oil. And you can use this Bond Tissue, Pure Tissue Oil, or you can use what they call that one, rescue oil, rescue tissue oil. That's good as well. You can use that and apply during the daytime, or you can mix it with the oil. Any of this vitamin C ampoule oils, these are very good oil. They will help you with moisturizing. They will not dry your skin out. They will not cause your skin to be flaky or patchy. And let me recommend as well that if you want to help your sort of like make the cream not to be too harsh and to reduce the harshness of the cream, I'll suggest that you take a small quantity, say like about 100 ml, and about 1 spoon of shea butter, and one of these oils that I've showed you, this vitamin C ampoule oils or vitamin Vit Gold oil. Put about 50 ml of it and mix together. You will love the result. Trust me, you will love the results. It's gonna give you a very good glowing and smoothing out the whitening process without making it patchy with blemishes and knuckles and all that. One of the reasons why I like this Vit 3-in-1 oil is that it serves as a treatment as well as glowing, and it contains SPF as well. So you can use this oil in the daytime, or you can use it in cooperation with the lotion itself at night. You can use the lotion, like I said, alternate it every other day, then use this Vit Gold body treatment 3-in-1 oil in the night. For the nights you don't use it, but please do yourself a favor and look for a good moisturizing lotion lotion to use during the day with SPF sunblock. Please, I cannot overemphasize on that. You will love the result of this cream. That is the best way I think this cream will serve you, and the result will be wow, and you will not regret using it. Okay, but if you have stretch marks already, or you have thin skin and green vein already, I suggest you stay off this lotion. Go treat your skin first before you start using this. Build your skin and make sure your skin has returned to this good state, that before you use this cream. Overall, I will say this cream will work for you if you know how to go about it, and it might not work for you if you don't use it the way you're supposed to use it. As for mixing it with its own serum, the serum that comes with it, I strongly recommend that you don't do that first. Use the cream on its own first, see how it works for you, okay, and before you start mixing anything into it. Overall, this cream, from scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give it a 5. I think that's fair enough. So guys, please kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell, and please do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up. I hope this review has helped, and I hope to hear from you. If you used it, if you're about to try it, just put a comment in the comment section there and let me know how you go about it. Whatever challenges you face with this cream, share with me, and I'll be more than willing to give my candid recommendations. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Do have a lovely day. Bye.